Haake Manufacturing is a third-generation sheet metal job shop. We have over 70,000 square feet of fabrication facilities, from small punch presses up to multi-million-dollar lasers. The reason we contacted Dazor Manufacturing was to increase our light levels in our plants. We had high bay metal halide lights. After a while, the maintenance was too high, the energy was too high, and with the advent of the LEDs, we wanted to get a new quote on increasing the light areas for all the manufacturing spaces.
So Dazor came down to Haake. We sat down with their management team and went through what their objectives were. We did a walkthrough of the facility and did an entire facility audit. We were able to put those objectives and those inputs into a photometric layout and review that prior to actually starting on the work. We determined that it was our VG2 series product. It has a high lumen per watt, 167 lumen per watt, which is best in class fixture. And then we combine that with supplemental lighting where it was necessary in their assembly area and other production areas and in the warehouse with our OC fixtures. Those are 8-foot linear fixtures that provide the added lighting in addition to the overhead lighting. As a result, after we did the installation, then we came back through and did a post-audit review with the management team.
Well, with the Dazor lighting, I can see a lot better. I can see my parts, whether they're good or bad, and correct the problems if I need to. It makes it a lot brighter and a lot quieter. I like them a lot.
It was so dark in here before. The light it really makes the place a lot brighter. It puts me in a better mood.
These put out very little heat. The other high intensities we had put out probably 350 to 400 degrees when you hit them with a meter, and these don't put out anything. Very happy with it.
We could measure that there was a 60% light increase throughout the entire facility. We also decreased the electric consumption by about 143,000 kilowatt hours per year, decreased the total dollars that are spent on electric related to lighting by 58%. And the savings from the utility rebate was about 14%. So the total cost of the installation was reduced by taking advantage of the utility rebates that were available from the local company. We did all that work for them.
I would highly recommend Dazor Manufacturing because of the professionalism that they exhibited in finishing the project, start to finish. Everything was handled in a perfect manner.